My name is Andrew Wynn, and I did the SWOT analysis section of this project. I'll start with the National Beverage Corporation. National Beverage has several internal strengths, including their 12 US-based bottling plants that allow them to ensure quality standards are being met and also allow them to reach a national market. They employ a novel social media marketing approach to target millennials by encouraging their customers to post pictures with LaCroix hashtags and then reposting the best of those. They achieve a more authentic feel to their marketing. This approach really resonates with millennials who have helped create a lifestyle brand in LaCroix. LaCroix sparkling water is flavored using proprietary essences. Consistently ranked as the best tasting sparkling water, LaCroix has turned this strength into a competitive advantage. And due to the recent success of LaCroix, National Beverage is currently experiencing explosive growth. The stock price is up 531% over the past 5 years. Now let's turn to the weaknesses. National Beverage somehow struck gold with LaCroix, but their other brands haven't been so lucky. Most of us haven't even heard of their next largest brands, Faygo and Shasta, let alone Big Shot, Rip It, or Ritz. Now their mission and vision statements leave much to be desired. With a plethora of exclamation points and declarations, they sound like something out of North Korea. You can't tell what industry they're in or even what direction the company is headed.